Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we got an 07 Honda Accord that the customer was complaining about. When they hit the brakes, they heard kind of a bang in the front. They weren't exactly sure where it was coming from. We took the vehicle for a test drive and noticed that it absolutely was making a fairly loud banging noise when you applied the brakes, and it would sometimes do it like taking off from a stop sign. Got the vehicle in, noticed that the lower control arm bushing was completely worn out. Advised the customer that the bushing should be replaced in order to solve the issue. A lot of times some shops will want to replace the whole lower control arm. We don't always feel that that's necessary here at 3D Auto Repair. It is kind of an additional expense to replace the whole control arm versus just the bushing. So in order to save the customer a little bit of money, we just went with the bushing replacement option. Got it taken care of. Took it for a test drive, verified that in fact the noise had been taken care of. So if you're having some banging noises and you're not quite sure where they're coming from, we do offer free inspections. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people can get this information.